guys, it's Steven here bringing you another video in my lovely tutorial world. I've been making these videos. Today I'll be showing you how to make a parrot slash survival base. So the things we'll require for this build will be jungle wood, glass panes, end rods, ladders. If you want to get this specific, you need these specific carpets. You will need black carpet, light blue carpet, red carpet, and yellow carpet. And we'll need even more materials after that. So if you get your wood next to our terracotta house, you want to start off with your jungle wood by going up by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you want to make a 4 by 4, no, 8 by 8. That 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this, then link it. Then build it all in, like so. Then build all the walls up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whistle. Keep building the walls up. This will be able to get 4 parrots and 1 person in, and then build this. Then, do you see this by 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see this, how I've done this? Then build it up by 3. No, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is where the Minecraft player will be sleeping. Will be you can do it whatever colour you want, but you need the 4 colours for the 4 parrots. So you want to have something that looks a bit like this. Oh yeah, put the roof in. And then you want to grab yourself a trapdoor as well. And then you want to make this chunky, a chunky one. So you want to build up . We're back. So make this chunky. Make this nice and chunky. Then add some windows in. Well, in this corner here, we will have this So we will have a ladder going up like this. Then we'll go over here. Then we'll build a ladder up like this. Then we're gonna put the trapdoor on like that. And then get rid of the trapdoor. Get yourself spruce fence and go around the top of it like so. Like so. And then over here, get rid of that window. I've changed my mind. That's not how we're going to be building. And then we're going to have this cute little balcony here. I think this looks pretty good. And then get rid of the fence. Get a dark oak door. Place them like that. Get rid of your dark oak door. Now, this is where the cool emerald bit comes in. In each one corner, place down an emerald. Get rid of the jewel wood, the glass, the emerald thing, and move all your carpets to the end of here, like this, and then you want to get the remaining. So you want to get a black bed, a light blue bed, a red bed, and a yellow bed. And then black bed in this corner. Light blue bed in this corner, red bed in that corner, and yellow bed in that corner. Then at the end of them, place those colours. Place the colour of wool. Like so. And then we will get a chest that will go here. Got a chest here. Get rid of everything in your... Actually, you don't need double chest. And then fill this chest full of seeds. That's the only thing we're going to have. Is seeds. So, seeds. Because that's all that parrots eat. So, and we seed. And then now we're going to get a bit really cool. We're going to get a jukebox. And then we're going to get... This has to be Pacific. Then we have to specifically get chirp. Place down the jukebox and put chirp in. And in that chest, instead of having one stack of seeds, get rid of the last stack and put chirp seed in there. And then come into your bedroom, get whatever colour. I'm going to have a green bed. Furnace, crafting table, black shulker box, brewing stand, enchantment table. So there, there and there. Then on the balcony, I'm going to have a... If you want, you don't have to do this, but I just am going to place down a cake in that corner there. You can do if you want. Then this is your parrot survival base, guys. If you did enjoy it, thumbs up, subscribe for more daily videos, and I'll see you all later. Bye.